Welcome to our channel. We have another listing, guys. This is 48,074 square meters with a clean title for 200 pesos per square meter negotiable. So by the way, guys, my name is Nino Mongas Catorza, a licensed real estate broker with URC license 00155450. So this is the property located in Kambugan, Ubay, Bohol. So there is a rice field and upland. So the land is mixed with upland and rice field, but majority is upland. Upland yun ang majority ani nga area. Not yet irrigated, guys. Dili pa siya irrigated. Then there is also an electricity post traversing to the property. So na electricity post ni agi sa property. Marag sa NGCP na, guys. So this can be ideal for piggery or poultry. Pwede po din siya or farming, regular farming. Sa may gusto niyo may tanom, vegetables, etc. Pwede, no? And also the road is on the property. So naa sa property ni agi ang karsada. Kanang itudlo na ko, no, katong dahil kahoy apil pa to because it's a big property. This is around 10 minutes drive from town proper. 10 minutos. So flat terrain ragid ang property, guys. It's a flat terrain. So more properties for sale at www.propertyph.net. 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. So as you can see, this is the drone video. Kanang murag ni Valley mo ni basakan. Kanang nalimpyo. Gamay ra gyud ang basakan, guys. Pero kung i-convert nimo into rice field tanan, pwede ra magyapon because there is irrigation nearby. Pero na upland na gyud diri dapita. Dako gyud ang upland. Majority is upland. Portion ra aning rice field. So manay giingon nga pwede gini siya buhaton nga piggery or poultry. Then if you have properties for sale, just let me know. We'll help you sell your property also. So forma siyuta ni, guys, is a square, no? Kanang dunay mga portion nga tam nag rice field kini niya diri dapita wala nilabot na. So mana malantaw, no? kita rang highway. Tarang highway guys sa Kamambugan. Actually na ni airport dapit. Pero wa man mag-operation ang ilang airport. Kita rin lagat. Pagkanusa ka na ma-operational ilang airport. Diya man to'y plano nga marag i-operate pero wala mangyahapon hantod karon. So, hapon na ka dito. So, kinig yun, no? Kining upland. Iagyan sa karsada. So, again, the size is 48,074 square meters. Clean title. Buhi yun, no? Single pa yun. Manay nakanindot ni. Maligingon nga clean title. The one in the title will sign the property. Then, I think we can ask for option for installment para masugot yun siguro ni guys, pero di lang dugay. Ang iunon lang. Pero paminaw ko sa among during our conversation with the seller or the owner, she's willing to talk no further. So ayan lang nato hangyo kay murag nanginahanglan diba? Again, the price is 200 pesos per square meter. Negotiable, mahangyo pa man pod no. So let's make an offer na lang por siguro. Opira na lang nato. Pilay imong offer, okay? So depende na nato pohon guys. Mahangyo gini siya. Rough road lang po no, pero dili kayo layo sa highway. So okay ra gyud ang property. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then we will process transfer of title. Okay. So muna siya guys. So schedule lang kung mutanaw kita for site inspection. Again, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Catorza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 00154550. Bye.